So hello dear students, welcome back to this NICT PYQ series. So this is a question from last time only, last NICT. Which of the following is not true for mobile medical units? Okay. Mobile medical units are government operated. Mobile medical units run by external agency with medical supplies given by the government. Mobile medical units run by government and medical supplies are also given by the government, or mobile medical units run by external agency and supplies also by external agency. So basically they are trying to ask you a question about mobile medical units. Okay, now we know that in public health mobile medical units are very common, right? Mobile vans go and provide services under a lot of initiatives. So that is what they are asking you about. So just remember that mobile medical units can be functional and implemented using any of the following operational methods. So it was more of a operational method question. Okay, it can be government operated MMU. Government operated means where the capital expenditure, okay, to start an MMU, to maintain it, operating costs, medicine supplies, everything is done by the government. Like in the mobile medical vans, we have all the supplies, we have all the medicines, we have all the tests which are being done. So everything, capital expenditure to start a MMU, operate it, recurring, non-recurring costs, supplies, medical medicines, everything is borne by the government. So that is government operated MMUs. Then you have operational outsourcing. That means that we have outsourced the operational part, this operating cost. Okay, the capital expenditure, drugs and supplies are provided by the government, but the operating cost of it is being done by some external agency. And the third is service outsourcing. Okay, we only outsource the service where both capital expenditure and operational expenditure are done by outsourcing agency. Okay, the capital, the amount to start MMU and to operate it, that is being done by external agency, but the supplies and medicines are provided by government only. So it can be through three types. Okay, government operated means the capital expenditure, the operating cost, the medicine supplies, everything by the government. Operational outsource means the capital expenditure, drugs and supplies are by the government, but only operating cost by external agency. Service outsourcing means both capital expenditure and operational expenditure by external agency, but medicines and supplies are by the government. So never is external agency given everything. Okay, like here MMUs run by external agency and supplies also by external agencies. No, the operating cost, is setting up cost, can be taken up by an external agency, but supplies will be by the government. Okay, so MMUs are government operated, where everything, the setting it up, that is capital expenditure, the running of it, the medicine supplies, everything is government operated. And second, MMUs are run by external agency. Okay, the operating cost, everything, but supplies are given by government. Okay, MMUs are run by government and also supplies by the government, but never everything will be given to an external agency to manage. Okay, thank you so much.